This is my Arrowhead collection, and I want to do a review and comparison of points with concave bases, especially the quartz ones, because I have a friend, a colleague, who says they were making heart-shaped arrowheads even in the time of historic documentation by the Europeans. And I'm okay with the idea that certain styles persisted, but I'm not okay with the idea that all of these things are the same. Curtis Hoffman, the archaeologist, has said that, different cultures arrived at the same solution, and there's no real point in trying to differentiate between these different quartz points. And I don't agree. I think that there's some stylistic differences which are, very easy to distinguish. And so to fail to put things into that category is to just ignore the details. So let's start with Hardaway Daltons. These are little points that have a concave base and a bit of a horn, kind of a pagoda roof thing going on at the base. And if you look through all of these, another one that strikes you as being of that sort is this one. And let's put them next to each other for a second. Try not to lose my place. You can see that concave base, pagoda roof, sometimes a bit of a flute. These are characteristic, and I think they're Daltons. They're old, late Paleo. And then we move on to well, there's some ambiguous ones here I'll come back to, but let's look at another distinct type. I think this is called a snap-it point. And I don't know if it's the same category as that one, which I would also call a snap-it. But they tell me that there's a difference in the basal grinding of snap-its versus squib-knocket triangles is the alternative. And I don't know if I have any of both. I don't know if I have both or none or whatever. I don't know if this is demonstrating basal grinding. I don't know what basal grinding looks like. I don't really see any grinding on any of these. So you got the snap-it and possibly squib-knocket triangles. You got the Hardaway Daltons, and a couple others I'd put in the Hardaway Dalton category. This one here, a little bit of the horn, a little bit of the flute. This one here, a little hard to evaluate with the damaged side. I was found near this one, so I could say that they came from the same spirit. And then you've got some sort of hard to classify ones like this one. But you do see a little bit of a horn developing at the bottom there. So perhaps this is in the Hardaway Dalton category, as would be, for example, these two also. They have something going on, like the beginning of the development of a side notch turned into Brewerton side notch, but at this point I think they're still Hardaway Daltons. You got this one. It's found near this one and this one. All of these were found in the same field, and I might as well tell you that it's out beyond the prison in Concord, north of Warner's Pond. It's not a bad place to look for things. Look at this. Don't tell me that's not a fluted point, okay? Don't tell me that's just another triangle. I don't buy it. Then you've also got these ones with almost a straight base, like that one. Have a flute, which is, as I've commented recently, it's hard to tell, hard to photograph the flute on a quartz point. This is broken, so you're missing the tip. Got no information there, but it's a slightly concave base, and it does look like there was an attempt to remove a flake from the base, just like this one. And this one, which is found near these, not that, and this, they are slightly different. So since this was found right near this, and also this, it's somewhere in the range of late Paleodalton to later. You've also got your, I think these are Levana triangles, and I'd love to find a complete one. And my friend Chris has found more of these triangle points than I have, so that would make him able to make these judgments better than I can. But I don't think they're all the same or all undifferentiable. This one, this big thing, it's a magnificent piece of quartz. I don't know. I think it's in the Hardaway-Dalton spectrum, somewhere in there. So there you have it. I don't think one size fits all. I'd just tell you that this is a gorgeous arrowhead from my collection. I mean, I think that's the best one. And definitely got some fluting going on both sides. So that's it.